In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in your Cloudflare dashboard. Whether you're more comfortable navigating in a different language or simply prefer another one, this quick tutorial will guide you through the simple process. Let's get started by heading to your Cloudflare dashboard. Now, once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice an option displaying the current language setting of your account. Although it might be easy to overlook, it's an important feature that allows you to tailor your experience to your linguistic preferences. Click on the current language display. This action opens up a drop-down menu featuring multiple language options. In this menu, you have the ability to choose the language that suits you best from a list of available options. This is perfect for when you're more at ease using a language other than the default English, or if you're assisting someone who needs the dashboard in another language. After you select your desired language, there's a brief moment where the dashboard will take some time to reload. This is completely normal and allows the system to apply your selected language throughout the platform. It usually only takes a few moments, so there's no need to worry. Once it refreshes, you'll see everything in the newly chosen language, making navigation and tasks much more intuitive for you. And just like that, you're all set. With these simple steps, you've managed to change the dashboard language and tailor your Cloudflare experience to your liking. This feature is particularly handy for international teams or users, ensuring that everyone can efficiently use the platform. Remember, you can always change the language back or to a different one whenever needed by following the same steps. That's all there is to it. Hopefully, this quick guide has helped you understand how to customize your Cloudflare dashboard to fit your language needs. If you found this video useful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing on your now personalized Cloudflare